Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update. There's enough to talk about. Yesterday we got a pretty significant and pretty violent sell-off, I would say. Yesterday evening into kind of this night, and then this morning, as most of you know, we actually have seen some strong bullish momentum. This is Bitcoin, but also if you look at Solana right here, strong reaction from the 618 fib of this move up. Which technically means that we can still turn bullish here. I would say that Solana right now is very much consolidating. All right, I think that there are things that are bullish about Solana, but I am personally not fully bullish on Solana yet, and I'll tell you why. I mean, even the momentum that we're getting right now, what most of you already know is that Bitcoin over the course of the weekend got some nice bullish reclaims. All right, so at least the market is getting a little bit warmer for altcoins. And then apart from that, Solana against Bitcoin has been relatively strong. And you could even argue that that's in a bit of an uptrend. So that's for sure bullish, all right? That's all bullish. But in the end, if we really focus onto Solana specifically, what you can see, especially if you go to the 12-hour time frame, is that we are just moving sideways. All right, now I do think it's true, and I think it's very important to realize that if you compare Solana with other altcoins, it's been stronger than most altcoins. All right, when times are actually relatively bullish, like when Bitcoin recovers a bit in the downtrend it's in right now, Solana is usually the crypto that does well. So when we see bullish momentum coming into Bitcoin earlier this morning, Solana, I think, is the main crypto to watch. But if we really want to turn bullish, at least on the short term, my eyes right now are on this level right here at 140. 140 into 144. Because if we want to turn bullish on the short term and really rally up to 155 and 160, that's the level to break. All right, and in the weekend we got up there. We did not manage to break above that, which is in general in the weekend, getting a breakout is quite difficult. And honestly, at this point of time, like I could definitely see something like this happening because of what we talked about earlier, right? That Solana, that there's been some significant development on the chain as well, and it's actually relatively very bullish compared to other cryptos. But then what we see as well is that, you know, it's Monday morning. Monday morning is quite volatile. That it could still go both ways because of that. So this bullish momentum that we're seeing right now does not necessarily mean that we're going to see bullish momentum at the end of the day, let alone tomorrow, for example. And then apart from that, and I talked about this for Bitcoin as well, if we look at the momentum for Solana right now, the bullish momentum that we see right now, it's mostly short positions being closed. And you're not going to break out and you're not going to rally only on short positions being closed. So yes, it creates a bullish candle, of course, because if you close a short, you're buying the coin. But it's not enough, all right? So what we need to see over the course of today is we need to see the momentum actually increase, all right? So that the open interest goes up with a positive CVD, and that's not the case right now. So for now, I would say it's most likely we will see some more bullish momentum, but that we will respect resistance and consolidate down here. And then if that changes, so if we do gain momentum, then at some point of time it becomes more likely that we'll break out and rally up higher. But I'll be back in my middle of the day market update later today, probably when you're watching this video in about 3 or 4 hours. So keep your eyes on that. I'll cover it in there because Solana is still, because of what we said at the start of the video, one of the cryptos I do think you need to keep your eyes on. So for now, this is what I expect, but it is very dependent on what we see in the remainder of today. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.